Welcome to my channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. I'm just kidding. Anyway, welcome to my channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. Today I'm here with you with my very first festival makeup look. It's festival season, so I said, why not bring out the festivities with some face gems, with simple makeup, even kind of deck out my collarbones. But anyway, you'll learn more as to where these face gems came from. And I use 2 palettes, all by one brand. And you'll tell, as you can tell by the title, you'll know which brand it is. Anyway, if you want to see how I achieve the eye look, how I apply these face gems on, and also what I think about these face gems, keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in Rosé in the Air. I'm going to take number 10 as my first transition shade. Not only am I going to use this as part of my transition shade, but I'm also going to use number 10 as part of my outer third color. But moving on, now it's time for the cut crease. You all know the unusual. I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Less and Breathable Concealer in 300 or a medium. And I'm going to take that same small brush that I always use, and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to actually delve back into the Rosé in the Air palette, and I'm going to use number 5. I'm going to use number 5 for my entire eyelid. In order for me to blend out that cut crease boundary and to sharpen along my cut crease border right here, I'm going to go into another Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, and this is in Not Your Basic Peach, and I'll be taking number 9. Going back to the same Not Your Basic Peach palette, I'm going to take number 2, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyebrow as part of my eyebrow highlight. It is time to wipe away the bake. So this is one way that you can leave your eye look. I mean, it's very simple. This is even perfect for every day. But if you want that pop of color, first thing you want to do, or first thing I did, was I went in with my LA Colors Metal Eye Pencil, and this is in the color Aurora. Now I used this before, and I'm going to link that video in the cards above. This I'm going to run underneath my bottom lash line. Now in order for this blue to look like this, I went back into my Not Your Basic Peach palette, and I took number 5 with a pencil brush, and I ran through it underneath it, so that way it's that nice turquoise color, which, by the way, this blue is very pretty. The intensity is real. So this is a second way in which you could wear your eye look. So that's the second way. The third and final way would be to include a simple wing liner. You can make whatever size you want, but I mean, for myself, I want to keep it simple, especially knowing that I have a lot going on with this blue. And then the other fun special effect that I have coming in hand. I'm going to go in with my Sephora Colorful 24-Hour Eyeliner. And this is in black lace. And there will be another video as to how I did my, or as how I do my wing liner. I'll link that in the cards above as well.
Any ideas?
So I'm going to do one more thing regarding my eyes before I do everything else off camera, and that is my lashes. Now these are very simple, and it is by Hilton. This awesome box came from Marshall's for $4.99 or $5. So if you look at it, there are 5 pairs of lashes. So let's say it's about $1 for each pair. This one I wore. So I mean, I just have to wash those. But I mean, this is how the other pair look. So I'm just going to apply this other pair or this other lash off camera and finish the rest, and I'll be right back with the other fun stuff. I'm back. I've finished the rest of my face off camera. Now it's time for the lips. Now, you can do whichever you want with your lips, even though you have to keep in mind that this is festival season, and when you go to the festival, you're not going to want to put on a lot. I know for me, I don't want to do that. So if I were to go to a festival, and that's a possibility, I would be wearing the Tarte H2O gloss with this look, and this is in Tiki Bar. So this is how you can go to the festival, just low-key, chill, not doing too much. A second thing you can do, notice that I have nothing on my neck, and I have these babes, the collarbones. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and I'm going to go in with both Eclipse and Luna. I'm going to apply those on the very top part of my collarbone. But before I do that, I'm going to take this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and I'm going to spray it on my chest area.
Any ideas?
And by the way, I'm wearing a camisole. It's a suede camisole that I've had for like a couple years now. Still on and popping. I've seen people too, like they apply glitter on their neck. They apply gemstones on their neck. So you can do all of that. Now I'm just going to do this because the next thing, and let me quickly touch up my highlight real quick. Cause your girl's gotta I gotta be blinging while I'm on YouTube. Alright, face. I'm gonna add some face gems to it. And it is going to be this one right here. Now this came from Forever 21. I purchased this one. It was about $5 for one. So I say definitely snag them up before they're sold out. I'm going to apply this above my brow, and I'm going to apply these ones underneath my eyes. They kind of segregating brows like mine, but I'm gonna let this work. I might fix it later, but this is how it's looking. So if you buy any face gems that look like this, measure out your brows before you apply them on. So you can leave it like this, or you can wear the bottom ones. I'm just gonna do the full out thing just so you can see how it looks.
Any ideas?
Alright, so I'm just gonna give you a quick review on this. These face gems overall very pretty, but the one thing I do not like is these top ones and how they segregate, it doesn't, so basically it's not for everybody's brows. I probably shouldn't word it like that, but that's how it seems, because if you look at this picture compared to what I got going on, there's no way that it's going to fit around it. So I mean, if you do choose to buy this one, which I will link in the description box below, measure. Measuring is key to these face gems so far, so that way it can fit similar to what was on the picture. I think I did good, but I do, however, love the bottom part. Like, the bottom part is very pretty. I feel like in the future I would just wear this by itself. But anyway, I mean, besides all of that, I mean, love the eye look. It's very simple. You can wear this as part of your everyday look. The lippy is very basic, but hey, I mean, it's festival season. You don't want to do too much. Definitely love the face gems. And my brows is fleeking too, despite all that mess I was talking with this. But anyway, so all of this is definitely Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any more festival looks that you'd like to see, and even some prom and wedding looks, because I mean, prom season is slowly approaching. Anyway, if you are a new viewer, please click on that subscribe button. Once you finish doing that, also please click on that bell so you are notified as to when my videos are out. And that is all I have for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I got my hair going on. What you doing?
Any ideas?
What you doing? 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 I look good. I look good. I look good. I look good. Anyway.